Is the Mio 5 Dashcam Pro really worth your money in 2026, or is there something automakers aren't telling you? I'll give you the honest scoop. No hype, no nonsense, just what you actually need to know before spending your cash. Let's start with the basics. If you've been searching for Mivo Dashcam Pro and keep getting redirected, you're not alone. The real brand is Mio 5, and as of January 2026, it's still one of the top-rated mid-range dashcams out there. So, is it a scam? Not at all. But there are a few things you should watch out for. First, let's talk specs. The flagship Mio 5 Pro gives you true 4K video up front. That's 3840 by 2160 pixels. If you go for the dual camera setup, you'll also get a 2K rear cam, which is perfect for catching those not-so-careful drivers behind you. One thing I love: built-in storage. Most models come with eMMC memory, either 64 or 128 gigs, so you don't need to buy a separate SD card. But if you're a footage hoarder or just want more space, recent versions let you add a microSD card up to 512 gigs. That's a ton of space for those just-in-case moments. Now, onto the AI stuff. The Mio 5 Pro tosses in features like stop-and-go reminders and harsh driving alerts. They're smart, but honestly, some folks find these nagging and just turn them off. Me? I say try them out, see what works for you. Connectivity is pretty slick. Dual-band Wi-Fi means fast downloads to the Mio 5 app, so you can pull up footage or share a clip with your insurance company in seconds. No need to mess with wires or pop out memory cards. But is everything perfect? Not quite. Let's get real about the mounting system. Once you stick this dash cam to your windshield, it's not coming off without a fight. The adhesive mount is super secure, but you can't swivel it around or move it between cars easily. If you're someone who swaps cars a lot, this might be a deal breaker. And about that super night vision. It's good, but it's not magic. Headlight glare at night can still make license plates hard to read, which is an issue with almost every dash cam out there, not just Mio 5. Final thing to watch out for: price and where you buy. The Pro Series runs between $119 and $160, depending on if you get the S1 or S1 Pro. Always buy from the official Mio 5 store or legit retailers like Amazon. Counterfeits are out there, and you don't want to get burned. So here's my verdict: the Mio 5 Dashcam Pro is not a scam. It's a legit, solid investment if you want excellent video quality, reliable storage, and don't mind the fixed mount.